Today the chapter is rational number. All of you first know what is number system. In previous classes all of you know what is number system and what is natural number, what is fraction, but today we see what is rational numbers. All of you know first what is fraction. Fraction is the numbers which express in the form of a by b, where a and b are natural numbers and b is not equal to 0. Same as what is rational number. Here rational number is the number that can be expressed in the form a by b. Rational number is a number that can be expressed in the form a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. In this definition, the numbers which can express in the form of a by b, where a and b are integers. So first, what is the meaning of integers? Already in previous we know that integers are those negative, positive numbers including 0. The numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers including 0, all of are known as integers. So here a and b are integers and the denominator part b is not equal with 0. These are known as rational numbers. Then the example of rational numbers, suppose 1 by 4, 2 by 3, minus 3 by 4, 5 by minus 7, 0 by 81, etc. are the examples of a rational number. The numbers which can express in the form of a by b, where b is not equal to 0 and a, b are the integers, is known as rational numbers. Then we write, suppose we write minus 1 equal with minus 1 by 1. Any number, integer numbers, divide by 1, same as the number. Minus 2 is equal, write as minus 2 by 1, and the number 5 is written as 5 by 1. The value of 5 and 5 by 1 is at the same value. So every integer is a rational number because we write the integer as a denominator 1. So every integer is a rational number. Then the rational numbers are two types. One is positive rational number, another is negative rational number. So first, what is positive rational number? When the numerator and the denominator sign are the same value, the same sign, then the fractions are known as, then the numbers are known as positive rational numbers. These rational numbers have the same sign when the numerator is positive sign and the denominator is positive sign. So the rational number is known as a positive rational number. Same sign here, minus sign is indicated in the numerator and also minus sign is indicated with the denominator. Then here the same value, same sign in the numerator and denominator, so it is known as a positive rational number. Same as when the sign is different and the sign are opposite, then it is known as negative rational number. Here the example minus 30 by 5. In this example, the numerator has negative sign and the denominator has positive sign. Here the sign are opposite, so these signs are known as, this rational number is known as negative rational number. So the definition is, when the signs are same, it is known as positive rational number, and when the signs are negative, so opposite signs, these rational numbers are known as negative rational numbers. So if a and b are two integers, then we retain as minus a by b is equal with a by minus b. Here the sign is a numerator part and here the sign is a denominator part, and here the sign is common, minus of a and a by b. Here the value of three terms are the same value, also these three terms are equal, and minus a by minus b is equal with a by b. It is also has equal value. Then minus of minus a by b equal to minus of minus a by b is equal with a by b. Here the three terms have the equal value. We can retain one rational number as the three different types, but all the values are equal. Okay. Then next is rational numbers, comparison of rational numbers and fractions. We already discussed that the definition of rational number is that the number in the written as form of a by b, where a, b are the natural numbers, is known as fraction. Fraction is defined as in the it is written as the form of a by b, where a and b are natural numbers. Okay, the examples 2 by 3, 1 by 8, 12 by 8, etc. are the fractions. But rational numbers is a number that can be written in the form of a by b, where a and b are integers. Here a by b, it is a by b, and here a and b are the integers, but in fraction a and b are natural numbers. It is the difference between the rational number and fraction. Okay, so every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number is not a fraction. Okay, 2 by 3 is also a rational number. It is a fraction and it is also a rational number, but minus 1 by 2, it is a rational number. It is not a fraction, because negative sign, negative number, it is only integer, so it is a rational number. In natural number there is no negative term, so minus 1 by 2 is not a fraction, it is only a rational number. Okay, then we read the standard form of the rational number. What is the meaning of standard form? Standard form meaning it is the simplification form. So a rational number in the form of a p by q is said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer. When the standard form we retain the standard form the rational number, always we see that the denominator is a positive, it is not the negative denominator. The rational number always has a positive integer, and the numerator p and denominator q, the number p and q have no common factor other than 1. There is no common factor of the numerator and denominator other than 1. Only 1 is the common factor. Then it is written as p by q, where denominator is positive integer and there is no common factor of pq other than 1. So to reduce the rational number to its standard form, we divide its numerator and denominator by their SCF. We use SCF. We take the SCF of numerator and denominator, then we divide the numerator and denominator with their SCF, and we find the standard form of the rational number. Okay, then equivalent rational number. So what is the equivalent rational number? Equal value. If p by q is a rational number, then we multiply a number k with numerator and same as denominator. We multiply k with numerator and multiply k with denominator, then we find the another value, and this value is equal with the original value p by q. So this is the equivalent rational number. When we find the equivalent rational number, we multiply, we divide the same value with the numerator and denominator, then we find the equivalent fraction of the rational, equivalent number of the rational number. Okay, here the example minus 3 by 4, then we multiply 2 with numerator and 2 with denominator, then the new rational number is minus 6 by 8. So minus 3 by 4 and minus 6 by 8 have the same value, so it is the equivalent fraction, equivalent number of minus 3 by 4. Then minus 3 by 4 is multiplied with minus 5 and denominator with minus 5, then the new number is 15 by minus 20. So minus 3 by 4 and 15 by minus 20 is the same value, so it is the equivalent rational numbers. So minus 3 by 4, minus 6 by 8 and 15 minus 20 have the same value, and it is also known as the equivalent rational numbers. Okay,